the way she looks now. We're still painting. Just gotta fix that. I got it painted, so I'll do that, and then we got a whole bunch of stuff in here. That's my wife's furniture, which I hate anyway. So I painted it that color. That's the way she's gonna look. And now what we got, you see that? Okay, now we got the rain cans on her. The diverter, look at that. Just gotta clean them. It's a little rain can. It's supposed to be really good. It's got great reviews. We're gonna try it out. And then that, it's a big Bama Jammer right there with 3 settings, so it's gonna spray nice. A diverter. You can operate both of these at the same time or one individually. Soap and all that stuff. And that's the way the tile looks now. That's the way the curve, the marble curve right there. That joker's working, dude. What's this? Okay. Just don't want to turn it on. It's draining too. Look at that. Hear that? Beautiful. Look what we got here. Alright. That's done. The faucets are done. Sinks are done. That looks beautiful, man. Good combination. Yeah, I wanted some wider sinks all the way over here, but then it cuts into space. We have to make it bigger, so or we lose the area. Where I wanted my wife's makeup center, or yeah, right around there. Toilet's operational too now. Here's the other faucet. Beautiful, bro. Great job. Manuel's the best plumber. There's no better with quality and everything that you get for your money for this guy. Beautiful. Gerber. Whatcha? Whatcha? That a bitch. Alright, anyway. I thought that was funny. Alright, let me see what else. Oh, dude, look at this. Watch out. Bronze right there, dude. What's that? That is fucking cool as hell, dude. That water. Right on the money right there, boy. Just comes out hot instantly. Damn, that's hot. Beautiful. Whirlpool's ready. Just gotta paint. Just gotta do some stuff around here. Just gotta finish up with this staining process. We're gonna get a lot of it done today. So that's the, oh yeah, my hair station. How about that? Shit. I've got to do that today. Then we got to get, so we're waiting on the glass. Glass coming in a couple weeks. Also going to install the mirrors. We got to paint back there. All right. And we got to do the carpet, and then we're also doing the shelving. That's pretty much it.